Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Pallavi Aga. I am a doctor and I'm a lifestyle consultant. Today's topic for this YouTube videos is FAQs, frequently asked questions related to physical fitness and health. The first very important question, is there a correlation between mental health and physical health? Yes, there is a direct correlation. Mental health and physical health are the two important pillars. These are the two pillars over which the foundation of holistic health starts. अगर आपकी mental health ठीक नहीं है तो naturally physical health suffer करती है, but अगर आपकी physical health ठीक नहीं है तो आपकी mental health भी suffer करती है, and दोनों चीज़ों का काफ़ी हद तक जो underlying cause है, that is insulin resistance. That is obesity, because the vicious cycle of obesity and insulin resistance leads to a lot of problems, including mental health issues, including Alzheimer's, brain fog, anxiety, depression. Lot of these mental health issues have been linked to insulin resistance and have been linked to obesity. So remember, both of these go hand in hand. Number two, the important question, what is the correlation between losing weight and losing fat? So this is a very interesting question. Weight loss तो आप बहुत आराम से कर सकते हैं. Weight loss is nothing but आपके weighing scale का जो levels हैं वो नीचे जाना. Weight loss can be because of muscle mass loss, can be because of water loss, can be because of glycogen loss. एंड आज मैं अगर आपको सिवियरली हाइपोकैलोरिक डाइट पे डाल दूं तो एक हफ्ते में आपका 5 kg वेट कम हो सकता है. तभी वो वी सी अ लॉट ऑफ दीज एड्स लूज 5 kgs इन 1 वीक. बट होता क्या है, बेसिकली इट इज द मसल एंड द वाटर विच लीव्स योर बॉडी, एंड दैट इज व्हाई यू सी दिस ड्रास्टिक वेट लॉस, एंड ऑल दैट वेट कम्स बैक एज सून एज यू गो बैक इनटू ईटिंग योर व्हाटएवर नॉर्मल फूड यू वर ईटिंग. So I always focus on fat loss, and fat loss is slow and steady. Fat loss पहले हमें inch loss और better body composition से पता चलता है, and उसके बाद slowly आपके weighing machine के scales नीचे जाते हैं. Always remember, the key is losing fat. The key is actually gaining health. आपकी जब health regain होगी, weight loss is just the byproduct. Number 3. ये शॉर्ट टर्म चैलेंजेस, डू दे वर्क? वी सी अ लॉट ऑफ दी शॉर्ट टर्म चैलेंजेस. 2 वीक्स में एब्स बनाइए, 2 वीक्स में फैट लूज करिए, 2 वीक्स में श्रेड चैलेंज. नन ऑफ दीज चैलेंजेस वर्क. द प्राइम फोकस शुड ऑलवेज बी ऑन बिल्डिंग योर हेल्थ. अगर आपके ऑलरेडी बॉडी में बहुत ज़्यादा मोटापा है, ऑलरेडी आप इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंट हो, ऑलरेडी आपकी ट्राइग्लिसराइड लेवल्स हाई हैं, नन ऑफ दीज चैलेंजेस विल वर्क. Please remember, all the challenges begin in the kitchen. They begin with the food you eat. So please never believe, never really focus on any of these challenges. Of course, for building fitness, for building endurance, these challenges are pretty much good, but that is the only thing they are important for. Number 4, what is the correlation between exercise and diet? There is no correlation. अगर आपको कोई कहता है कि खाना कम खाइए, एक्सरसाइज ज़्यादा करिए, then that is the most useless advice anybody can give you. Exercise is again meant for your physical fitness. It is not meant for weight loss. I always tell all my clients, all my patients, first focus on losing your weight, focus on your inch loss, focus on your health, and just walk or do yoga. Do not start focusing a lot on going to the gym or doing a lot of exercises. And once you lose your fat, then you build up the strength, you build up the endurance of your muscles, build up on your cardiovascular fitness, and that is when you truly will be holistically healthy. And the last question is, how much time should we take out for fitness? Well, it depends. If you have a lot of time, you can really take out 2 hours in a day for your fitness. If you don't have time, 45 minutes a day focused on strength training and focused on your cardiovascular fitness is more than sufficient. Alternate day of strength training, HIIT, aerobic exercises, yoga, flexibility, one day a week, do any of these, and that is pretty much good enough. Also remember, there is one thing called as the active couch potato, that is, you just exercise for 2 hours in the morning in the gym and the rest of the day you are just doing no movement. So please focus on moving, add movement to your day-to-day life. That is good enough. If you are focused on clean eating and correct nutrition, you can just take out half an hour, 45 minutes in a day for your fitness, and you will be ready to take on the world at a go. So I hope these frequently asked questions have helped all of you. Do like my video, like, subscribe and share. Remember, food is medicine, and the key towards building health, building muscle, building mental health is nothing but your kitchen and the food we eat. Thank you so much.